Hi, PG with MarineMax of Houston. I'm here aboard the 2019 380 Outrage by Boston Whaler. This is an offshore monster right here, powered by triple 350 Mercuries, joystick drive. Down below we even have the Seakeeper gyroscopic stabilizer to keep her calm in rough seas. Really nice bench seat in the back. Great bait preparation area. Lots of fresh water, plenty of storage, huge fish boxes on each side. Check this out. We even have a dive door on the side. Great for you scuba divers or bringing in a really large fish. Coming forward to the helm, air conditioning right here at the helm. Plenty of room for your electronics, and we custom install any kind of electronics you want, no matter what brand it is. We have great professional installers here. This boat even offers a little extra seat here that folds out of the side for trolling on each side. Even though we're in a center console, we've got a really nice cabin down below. Plenty of room for sleeping, lounging. Really nice bathroom down below with a head, a shower, everything you need to be comfortable in the air conditioning. Nice flip-up bolsters. Let's move toward the front of the boat. Check out all the lounge seats we have up front here. Plenty of drink holders and armrests. Loungers on both sides that are easy to collapse. You can also take these cushions off. They just snap off real easily, so you can just have a non-skid fishing platform underneath. Tons of storage. Even this big locker here, hold all your gear. This boat comes with extra shade too for the bow and the aft section. So if you're just hanging out on the water for the day, you have great comfort. Get out of the sun if you don't want too much sun. We have an electric windlass anchor on the front. And this boat is designed to really do everything. You can offshore fish with it, scuba dive with it, use it for coastal dinner cruising. Great boat for your family or your friends, anything you want to do with it. Plus, it's an unsinkable legend, Boston Whaler. Come see us here in Houston. Love to help you. My name is PG with MarineMax.